Hello, it's Radio Rush here. I decided to speak with my own voice and with my own English skill to these videos because you guys thought that the AI voice was bad. So long time no see, and now it's time for a new video. I have this SpeedyB 25 with 04 Pro. I just swapped the receiver to it. Now it has the Radiomaster XR2 Nano receiver with the ceramic antenna. I just thought that maybe the ceramic antenna inside of this SpeedyB 25 isn't that good because the antenna is inside this drone. So let's see. I have set my Radiomaster TX15 Max to 100 milliwatt power. So let's see how that receiver performs here in Finland's winter time. It's something like minus 10 degrees Celsius minus. So hopefully I don't crash into snow. I don't have any conformal coating on these electronics in here, so let's hope for the best. Other than that, let's go and fly. Okay. So that was it. I'm not that impressed about the Radiomaster XR2 Nano receiver and its ceramic antenna. I got something about 10 meters away behind those cars, and the RSSI DPM started blinking and the link quality was dropping, so not so good range. I have the Radiomaster TX15 Max and I have 100 milliwatts of power to set to it, so I guess if I ramp up the power in the TX, it could be better. I don't know, but I thought that that antenna that receiver wasn't the best choice, to be fair. So maybe I'll swap the receiver in the future. I'm not that impressed about that, but nevertheless, it flew nicely with the TX15 controller, so I'm happy about that. But the receiver isn't that good. That's a bummer. Oh well. So this was it, and this is my real voice, and this is me. So drop me in the comments, do you like better this way that I'm speaking this Finglish English here, or was the AI voice better? You tell me. Till next time. See ya.